Hello everyone. Most people think this is just a floor scrubber, but with one simple change underneath, it becomes a powerful concrete grinder. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I prepared my brand new concrete floor before laying tiles. You'll learn how this machine works, why it only spins at 150 revolutions per minute, why that's actually an advantage, and something many people don't know. Rental companies don't just charge you for the machine, they also charge you for the wear on the diamond grinding segments. So before you rent one yourself, here's everything you need to know. Let's get started. The machine I'm using is a Numatic NMD-1515G. Although it's mainly designed as a professional floor maintenance machine, it becomes a very capable concrete grinder when fitted with a diamond grinding plate. It features a powerful 1,500 watt motor, runs at 150 revolutions per minute, and weighs around 32 kilograms. It has two wheels on the back, but keep in mind, those are strictly for transport. When you're actually grinding, the machine rests flat on the floor. To get a comfortable working position, you can easily adjust the handlebar angle up or down using this red lever right here. That low speed is actually an advantage. Instead of spinning extremely fast, the machine produces high torque, allowing the diamond tool to grind the concrete efficiently while remaining easy to control. My concrete floor is about 5 weeks old. Before installing tiles, it's important to remove the weak cement latents from the surface. The goal isn't necessarily to expose every stone in the concrete. The objective is to create a clean, solid, rough surface that gives tile adhesive the best possible bond. At first, this type of machine can feel difficult to control. But once you understand the technique, it's surprisingly easy. Raise the handle slightly, and the machine moves to the right. Lower the handle slightly, and it moves to the left. Keeping the handle at the correct height allows the machine to almost float across the floor. Concrete grinding creates an incredible amount of dust. Always wear safety glasses, hearing protection, and a suitable dust mask. If possible, connect the machine to a professional dust extractor. One thing many people don't know is that rental companies don't just charge for the machine, they also charge for the wear on the diamond segments. On my rental invoice, I paid 354 Danish kroner for the machine itself and 210 kroner for 0.1 millimeter of diamond segment wear. That means you only pay for the amount of diamond material you actually use. After grinding, the floor has a much better surface for tile adhesive, ensuring a stronger and more durable installation. I hope this video helps if you're planning to grind your own concrete floor. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you enjoy practical DIY projects like this, don't forget to subscribe because I've got plenty more coming soon. See you next time.